How Sigmas excel in team settings. When we think about team dynamics, we often picture the loudest, most commanding voices leading the charge. In contrast, Sigmas, known for their independent and introspective nature, may not seem like the most obvious candidates for thriving in team environments. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. Sigmas bring a unique, understated brilliance to team settings, often becoming the linchpins that hold groups together, even if they do so quietly and behind the scenes. Let's start by understanding what makes Sigmas so effective in team dynamics. One of their standout qualities is their ability to observe, while others may rush to assert themselves or claim leadership roles. Sigmas step back and take in the full picture. They analyze the team's strengths and weaknesses, assess the dynamics at play, and identify the best ways to contribute. This observational skill allows them to act strategically, ensuring their efforts align with the team's goals. Imagine a brainstorming session in a workplace. The alpha personalities might dominate the discussion, throwing out ideas with confidence and energy. Meanwhile, the Sigma listens intently, processing the information and quietly formulating their input. When they do speak, their contribution is often insightful, grounded, and impactful. This ability to listen and process before acting is one of the key ways Sigmas excel in team environments. Sigmas are also natural problem solvers. Their independent nature means they're accustomed to figuring things out on their own, which translates well to team settings. When faced with a challenge, Sigmas don't panic or rely solely on others for solutions. Instead, they take initiative, dive into the problem, and come up with practical, innovative ideas. Their calm, methodical approach to problem solving can be a stabilizing force in a group, especially during high-pressure situations. Another reason Sigmas thrive in teams is their adaptability. Unlike some personalities that may struggle when things don't go according to plan, Sigmas are comfortable with change. They can pivot quickly, adjust their strategies, and find ways to move forward. This flexibility makes them invaluable in dynamic team environments where adaptability is key to success. But perhaps one of the most remarkable traits of Sigmas in team settings is their ability to collaborate without ego. Sigmas don't feel the need to dominate or outshine others. They're perfectly content working behind the scenes, focusing on results rather than recognition. This humility allows them to build genuine connections with their teammates, earning trust and respect without needing to assert authority. For instance, in a group project, a Sigma might quietly take on a critical but overlooked role, ensuring the team's success without seeking applause. Their focus is always on the bigger picture, and they take pride in contributing meaningfully, whether or not their efforts are in the spotlight. Sigmas are also masters of emotional intelligence, which further enhances their effectiveness in team settings. They have a knack for reading people, understanding their motivations, and navigating social dynamics with finesse. This makes them excellent mediators and conflict resolvers. When tensions arise in a team, the Sigma is often the one who steps in to diffuse the situation, offering a balanced perspective and helping the group find common ground. Moreover, Sigmas excel at fostering collaboration. They understand that every team member brings unique skills and perspectives to the table, and they're skilled at bringing out the best in others. Instead of trying to take control, Sigmas encourage input from everyone, creating an environment where all voices are heard and valued. This inclusive approach not only strengthens the team but also boosts morale and motivation. While Sigmas might not seek leadership roles outright, they often find themselves in informal leadership positions within teams. This is because their calm, thoughtful presence naturally inspires trust. Teammates look to them for guidance, not because they demand it, but because they've earned it. Sigmas lead by example, demonstrating integrity, dedication, and a commitment to the team's success. Of course, working in teams isn't without its challenges for Sigmas. Their preference for independence can sometimes make collaboration feel draining, especially in environments that require constant interaction. However, Sigmas excel at setting boundaries and finding ways to balance their need for solitude with the demands of teamwork. For example, they might carve out quiet time to recharge after a busy day of meetings, ensuring they can show up fully for their team when needed. Another potential challenge is that Sigmas can be selective about the teams they join. They're not drawn to superficial or overly competitive environments. Instead, they thrive in teams that value substance, authenticity, and meaningful work. When they find the right fit, their contributions are unparalleled. In summary, Sigmas excel in team settings because they bring a unique combination of observation, problem-solving, adaptability, and emotional intelligence. They prioritize results over recognition, foster collaboration, and lead by example. While they may not always seek the spotlight, their presence has a profound impact, elevating the team as a whole. Sigmas remind us that effective teamwork isn't about being the loudest or most assertive person in the room. It's about showing up with integrity, supporting others, and staying focused on the shared goal. Their quiet strength and thoughtful approach make them invaluable in any team setting, proving that sometimes the most impactful contributors are the ones you least expect. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into how Sigmas excel in team settings, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring more insightful content to you. Thank you for watching, and remember, true teamwork is about embracing the strengths of every personality, and Sigmas have plenty to offer.